My name's Gretchen Shearer. I'm a senior research chemist at McCrone Associates. I have a bachelor's degree in chemistry and I have a PhD in archaeology. I love solving puzzles. My favorite genre of literature is mysteries. Ever since I was a kid, I've loved the problem-solving aspect of science. And so when I was in my undergraduate days, my favorite labs were well, what is it? And characterizing it. And I didn't know you could make a living out of that, and so I went off and did my archaeology, and then I did a few other things. And then when I found this job, it was, again, the forensic aspect, I guess, as it were. But I love the fact that every day brings a different sample. There's some similarity to things I've done before, so I can call on my experience and my colleagues' experience, but every day is a new day, so it's something a little bit different. I will get a call and they'll say, I have this particle, but I don't think you can do anything with it because it's too small. And I typically say, well, can you see it without a microscope? Yes. I said, that's plenty for us to work with. I think the scope of what we do is maybe a little bit difficult for people to see. What you can perceive with your eye without magnification, that size range, once you put it under the microscope, it's pretty large, and we can do maybe 1 or 2 or 3 analyses just on that particle. That's probably the biggest thing we have to convey to people that aren't familiar with what we do. So when we talk about small, we're talking about small particles, but there's an even smaller element with them that are the actual chemical bonds and the elements that tell us what they are. And their function, what they do in life or in industry, is also based on those chemical bonds and those atoms and those elements that are present. And the neat thing is if you have a small particle, it's the same stuff as if you had a bulk sample to analyze. So we're just using our methods and our understanding to understand what that is. But we are looking for those chemical bonds, the elements that are present, the structure of the materials. And I think materials scientists, that's what we do. That's the information we're looking for, whether we're looking for a microscope or with infrared spectroscopy or EDS or X-ray diffraction. All of those scientific methods, they give us different pictures or different parts of the puzzle, as it were, of what that structure is.